girlies, I'm Stephanie from Oh You're Lovely, and it's another Meet the Flowers. Alright you guys, welcome back to another Meet the Flowers, and today, I don't know how you can't smile when you see this flower. Today, it's all about the daisy. Alright, today's flower is the daisy. Now we do have a couple different style daisies, but we're going to talk about the OG, the original daisy that we have. Now the daisy comes in two different sizes. 1.5 is the standard size, and then we introduced a mini size later on, probably about 2 years ago now at this point. I love painting daisies. They're one of the easiest flowers with just a little bit of paint in the center and you're good to go. So let's jump into it and I'll show you a couple different ways on how to play with these lovely daisies. Oh, the daisy. Now, I know it's weird, there's green, but I'll show you why in just a second. For this particular one, oh look, I got it on clearance for 32 cents, go me. This is Summer Squash by Americana Deco Art. And again, Deco Art as well. For the green, I'm using Hosser light green. There we go. So you're gonna need a paintbrush for this. We're gonna use straight paint. We're not gonna water this down at all because we're working in the center. It's okay. There's not gonna be any crunchies that we have to worry about. I'm gonna leave it as is as far as the cream. You could, if you wanted it to be a little bit brighter, you could dye the petals on the outside white first if you wanted to, but I like the more creamy color. So we're gonna go in with our yellow, and you could stop right here and it's lovely as is, but I like to go the little extra oomph. We're gonna grab some green, just a little bit, if I can open up the top. Come on now. Here we go, perfect. So I cleaned off my brush and I'm just gonna go with the end of my brush, and we're gonna scrub. Whoop. Let's see, pay attention to where I am. There we go. We are going to scrub right on the perimeter. Did I use that word right? Around the yellow. So let's do that. Do you see how different? Like, it's just a little oomph. It just adds a little oomph. I am gonna use some sprays of water. I do not have glycerin in there, but you could. There we go. There's one lovely little daisy. All right, I'm gonna continue with my yellow, and I'm gonna we're gonna make a light pink daisy. So I'm gonna go in with my yellow straight again, no watered down, none of that stuff. And it's okay, like I'm all right that it's a little messy. Pollen gets over like flower petals, it happens. It's all right. So now what I'm gonna do, even though this is still wet and I'm gonna get yellow on my finger, it's all right. I'm just going to twirl it on its side. I'm not gonna dunk it in because I wanna try to keep the yellow a bright yellow. But now what we're gonna do, you see that harsh line around there? Keep that if you want. I don't want it. So I'm just going to spray from the center. And then I am going to touch up my center just a little bit. The yellow did diffuse a little more than I would like. So I'm just gonna go in a little bit more. And there you go. All right, the last thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna do the opposite, where we put in the green first, and then we put in the yellow. And I gotta get some of that pink off my hands. All right, so green first. I am gonna spray this down with a little bit of water though, because those petals are a little, there we go. I'm going to just take off the ones that I'm not super thrilled with. And I did transfer some pink on there. So I'm gonna go around and transfer the pink to everything. There we go. Ooh, that's cute that way. All right, so now we're gonna go in and we're gonna scrub first with the green. Yeah, it might have been too much green. That's okay. I'm gonna go in again and I'm gonna I'm gonna go all the way. Okay. And then I'm gonna take, and I'm just going to dab the excess that I've got going on. Okay. And then go in with my yellow right on the top. And there we go. So there are the two differences. There you have it, guys. The daisy. I don't know how you can't smile when you see a daisy. They're just so adorable. I hope you enjoyed that tutorial and it gives you a little bit of inspiration of what you can do the next time that you get yourself some daisies. To check out the daisies as well as the 150 style sola flowers we carry, go to yourelovely.com. But before you scoot, use the code YouTube30 to get 30% off your first order. All right, you guys, we will see you right here next week for another Meet the Flower. I'm Stephanie from Oh You're Lovely, and you, my friends, are absolutely lovely. Bye, guys. Oh, wait, subscribe, ring the bell, do all that fun stuff. Bye, guys.